Hello, it is day 3, and we're starting off this morning by going to Animal Kingdom. See you there. This is the good stuff right here. We got the sandwich also. Woo. This like little cafeteria area to see if they have these like little burger pod things. This is what we got going on here. We got burger pods, chips, coleslaw. It's kind of what everyone got. It's crack, a boy, open. Cool, cool.
You just like bite them before?
Yeah, I was just gonna pick it up and bite it. Yeah. Yeah. Slow boy.
There we go.
Full burger. Yeah.
Burger. Okay.
It's just like the Disney sharks.
No, that's exactly it.
Is that as good as last time?
It's kind of like just like a White Castle slider. It's good. Pot it up. We are back at Hollywood Studios after going to Animal Kingdom. We are going to go to Hollywood Tower of Terror, I believe. But first, the bathrooms. Show City. Show City. What number is that, Matt?
It's 12.
12? Wow.
Thank you.
Nice. This one is 13.
Lucky number 13. Wow. Wow.
Could I get a chocolate one? No? Nice. Thanks. All right, Tom. Thanks.
All right.
Have a good day. You too.
What is this?
This is 14.
Wow.
This is 15.
Oh my god.
Ducks.
Fools.
We have traveled to the Great Polynesian Resort and Hotel. We have come here because there is word of alcoholic rum-infused Dole Whip, and this is the trip of whip, so we gotta do it. Thank you.
Wow, that's cool.
Thank you.
Just hit news, and that was so fun.
Yeah.
I tell you guys not to do that already.
Show me your lace. Thanks. I'm in Trader Sam's right now. I kind of want to get like a snack or something. Did you see the food menu either? No, I didn't look.
I was sleeping on 47 bookcases in the Hollywood Hills with only $47 billion in my bank account and only 47 Lamborghinis in my Lamborghini account and only 47 hills in my Hollywood account and only 47 TEDx Talk where I talk about Warren Buffett in my TEDx Talk where I talk about Warren Buffett account.
I got my water.
Thank you. I'll be here all week.
Hey. Woo. Ah, yes, we are definitely, in fact, absolutely staying at the Polynesian.
I'm, well, you can tell by my flowers.
Ah,
You
yes.
talk about my flowers, I'm definitely staying at the Polynesian. Definitely rich enough to stay here.
The butler is at home watching the dogs, and I'm here at the Polynesian Resort and Hotel.
Yes, yes,
Going
absolutely.
to spill my drink and
Bottom line, young man, bring it back.
return what you took.
I'm not poor.
Which person will never say that? That's the least believable part of this. I'm not poor.
I'm not poor.
I'm not. What do you take me for? I'm not poor.
What do you take me for? Some kind of plebeian?
That's exactly what someone who is poor would say.
God damn it, they're on to me.
Do you go to the Cloud District often?
Well, what am
no.
I saying? Of course you don't. I'll have you know there's no pussy.
Yeah.
Your favorite squad is back at Magic Kingdom. Crunk this time.
This time. Something.
For the mouse.
The mouse.
For the
More
pretzels.
ice cream.
The
Yes,
pretzel.
we're getting a lot of pretzels.
And more whip.
Yes, and whip.
Yes.
Snack time.
Whip's important. It's snack
Snack time.
And
It's snack time.
Finally.
Yes. I cannot wait for Space Mountain.
Yes.
But right now, pretzels,
Snack
ice
time.
cream, and then buzz.
Snack time first, then Space Mountain.
Okay.
Buzz.
Okay, we're gonna do all that. Okay, Matt, what is this?
16 and 17.
Tell us how it is. How is it?
Divine. This is the best I've had yet. It's perfect.
Good.
It's perfect conditions. Like it's just rained, so it's a little cooled off. So it's like perfect. It's like a new batch. Oh my god.
Perfect. You got us pretzel gals over here with our almost finished Mickey pretzels and our cheese. How's it feeling? Very tasty. Good.
Soaking up that rub.
Here comes Buzz. Here comes Buzz. Here comes
We're
Buzz.
the people mover.
Here comes Buzz. Here comes Buzz.
People Mover is a lot nicer than the one in Detroit and allows
I'm insulted that this is called People Mover. I'm really insulted that this is called People Mover because the one back home sucks.
It's just expensive.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god.
Hello, Space Rangers. This is Buzz Lightyear.
That's
Would you
what I
stars for joining me on this daring space? Casino and Resort. As an honorary space.
Hi, Buzz. What is this?
This is 18.
18.
2 away from 20. I think we're gonna hit it tonight.
Yeah.
Make my goal. I'm gonna surpass my goal.
I just had another Dole Whip, and I think I'm gonna die. And now we are going into or onto the Enchanted Tiki Room, and we are alone in the queue, and it's beautiful. Wow. We are finally back home and exhausted, and yeah, that's just gonna conclude day 3 because oh boy, we are so tired. So, see you tomorrow. Bye.